Hi guys, let me show you how to scan text with your iPhone. So all you have to do is to open Notes, then tap on a new one and select camera icon. Here click on Scan Documents, and now let me provide some document over here. You can use this text, and now just locate your screen on this particular text. As you can see, it has been scanned. We can retake it, so it is done better, and this is it. Now you can obviously place straight your papers and then smoothly scan it. So tap on Done, then to Save it, and you will be able to find it here. Then you can crop it if you wish, change the layout just like this, and then save it as only you wish to have it. So that would be all. This is how you can use Scanner on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.